Hi, this is John from BOBcloud. In this video, I will show you how to backup and restore a Microsoft 365 mailbox directly from the Microsoft Azure cloud. On my screen, you can see that I already have the software installed. First, I need to enable the module within the software. This module supports backing up Exchange email, OneDrive, SharePoint, and Teams. Before I can back up the mailboxes, I need to create an authorization code I can paste into the software. Because I am backing up all the mailboxes on this account, I need to configure some extra permissions with Azure using my global account. Now that I am connected to my Azure account, I can select any account's mailbox, Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint data for backup. For this video, I want to back up all my mailboxes. I will create a backup schedule and tell the software where to store my backup data. You can select from two pre-configured storage destinations on Azure and Wasabi in the drop-down. Of course, you can use your storage on these platforms, any other S3 storage provider, or any other cloud storage platform. The final setting is the backup encryption password. By default, this is the same as your password for logging into the BOBcloud software. You can change the password if you want to. Now that the backup is finished, I'm going to zoom out and show you my Outlook page that is logged into the support mailbox. I'm deleting all my emails from Azure and then starting the restore. I must select which storage location to use and mailbox to restore. This backup set only has one storage destination configured, but I could have added more if I wanted to back up to more than one storage destination. I'm going to restore all the emails, but I can just as easily restore single emails and folders. The final step is to decide where I want to restore the emails. My options are the original mailbox, an alternative mailbox, or a local PST file that can be imported into Outlook. The latter two options are used when the mailbox being restored no longer exists. In my case, the mailbox does exist, so I will restore the emails back to Azure. If I zoom out again, you can see the emails are restored directly to Azure and then pushed to the user's mailbox without interrupting them. Finally, let's quickly look at the backup report and storage stats used. As with all our software, you can get fully functioning 30-day trials with 1 terabyte of data for any of your customers. I have linked the reseller sign-up page in the description below.